Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be playing Bee Swarm, like tycoon thing. It's really fun. Basically, you just we don't know what we're playing with. Yeah. I want to buy a new bee, but they're like 1,000, so I can't. Luke's never played this before, but I've seen people play it, and that's why we're going to be playing today.
Yes, us.
It's really funny. Luke, look at your backpack. How much money do you have? Oh, you don't have enough.
Wait.
You have to. Yeah, you need 620 points to honey.
To get honey.
No, you're already getting honey. Look how much honey you have. The honey's there. So you have 230 honey, and you need to buy backpacks and stuff.
So we need to get some money.
Yes, you need 640 money to get the backpack I have, which holds more honey. And we want to get, and you need like 1,500 to get a bee. What the hell, kid? Calm down. We all want some flowers as well. Don't we want flowers as well, Luke? And this kid just took all the whole field.
Give me some.
My bee's level 2.
That's my bee.
Your bee is in his den. No, you're not. He's right behind you. Hi, Luke. Do you like my backpack? Snowflake. Oh my god. I need more pollen. What's this? I think that's like a VIP area. I think this is VIP. No, it's not. Luke, help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Where?
I'm gonna steal all this kid's honey. Oh, the kid's honey.
Mine.
Luke, yeah, go sell your honey. But Luke, once you've done that, come up here. I've got 4,000 honey.
I need to go to the shop and buy the
Oh, I
honey.
like Buddy. I like Buddy. Buddy's cute. Honey! There's more honey. Should I go buy? I'm gonna go buy an egg now. So yeah, my hive is full. That's like the best place ever. Okay, I'm gonna go. Right, stay there. Sell the rest of your honey.
How many one do you get a new bee?
You need 1,000 honey. Sell the rest of your honey. Make the rest of your honey. I sit here for ages because my backpack holds 938 honey. Take that off your screen. Look, my bee is base 2. How much is it? Oh my god. I'm gonna buy a new bee in a sec. Because I can buy like 2 or 3 bees. Maybe 4.
I need to collect some flowers.
I found this kid's hive. Oh my god. Found the kid's hive, Luke. You know the kid with like 1 million bees.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's his hive, that massive thing.
Where?
Just go to the very end one. Have you got all my honey yet?
I'm digging in some flowers.
Have you got my honey? Finally! Now I'm gonna buy some bees.
I need to. I'm buying some bees.
I bought 2 bees. You're not buying bees, that's making honey. You're gonna plant my eggs. Okay, I got a normal bee. Yeah, I don't want to know.
Okay, let's see.
Got a normal bee then.
Should I buy bee?
I'm gonna give them royal jelly to.
I
I got a bumblebee! Look, I got a bumblebee! They're really good. Oh my god. Blueberry to you. How many blueberries do you want to give to you?
That's what I got.
Luke, you have to feed your bees.
How do I feed my bees?
Look, you just go to it. Kids, let's go get some honey. Do you like all my bees? Follow me now. I'll show you where you get a load of honey. Come on.
I need to get more bees.
What are these things? Get the beans. The beans look cool. Okay, come on, Luke. We'll get a load of honey so you can get a load of bees. Just climb this ladder. Come on. Climb these 2 ladders. And this is where you get a load of honey. What's this? I don't know what that is. It looks scary. Come on, bees, attack! Yeah, bees, get a load of honey. Oh, honey! Luke, literally, I've just stole all this kid's honey.
Where's my
I need to go sit on my honey.
Where? This is my.
Do you want me to get rid of that?
Where's my best friend?
You bee. He's in bed.
Yeah.
My bees are all red. Look at them.
Can we see?
Look how fast I make my honey now, because they all make me my honey. Make honey, hurry up. Oh, I haven't even tapped any honey. They're all big and honey. Do you want to buy... Wait, go buy an egg. Go buy a backpack and an egg. So go in there, yeah?
How do I buy an egg?
So you don't buy an egg and then open shop. No, look at the bags. Look at the bags. Press open shop. I'll go that one. You have that one equipped, okay? No, you don't need this. So go exit, leave shop, and then go buy an egg.
How do I buy an egg?
Buy the egg stand. The end of it, the egg vending machine here.
Where is it?
Right here. Yeah, you're there. And then open shop. And I can't afford my next egg because it's like 3,000. I'm gonna go do the obby to get that. Or can I not get it? Hey, where's the ladybug? Ladybug, come out, come out. Come on, I'll get my ladybugs will get you in like 2 seconds. See, you can afford an egg.
How can I afford one?
Oh, have you already bought one? You can't afford one if you already bought it, Luke. So now go place them.
Go and place them.
Yeah. Guys, I know this might seem like a boring video to watch, but it's actually really fun playing this game, so I recommend you play this game. Comment down below any good games that you want to see us play on Roblox. Meow. 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 Ladybug. Where's the ladybug gone? Okay, my bees are alright. I'm gonna go run around. Well, first I'm gonna make some honey.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some honey too.
Meet you back at the base. Bees, get some more honey. My container is not full, but okay. Okay, I'm coming. Let me see. Lucas, I'm gonna make you the new bees that you bought.
How many bees do I have?
You bought some new bees, yeah? Yeah. That one there. Okay, which one do you want to take? Which one do you want to make something else?
I want more bees.
You can, which one of them two do you want to change into like my blue one? The level 2 one?
Yeah.
You got two blue bees, me. Now there you go. Now go make some honey. Okay, my bees make honey fast. Like I've got 3,000 honey.
Hi.
Oh, I can't even afford a bee. Oh my god, how expensive is this net bee? Yes, ladybug! My bees will get the ladybug because it's killing you. Bees attack! It's killing him. See, kill them for you.
Mama,
I just saved your life.
come on, my Snuggly survived.
I just saved your life, Luke. Did you do that? Did you just?
And
I just saved your life. 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 Come do this hobby.
What jobby?
This hobby.
The mushroom mobby.
Yeah. But you've already got the real thing, haven't you, here?
Wait, one more thing.
Whee! Sonic the Hedgehog. You need 5 bees to pass this area. I only have 3. Where's the 3 bee pass?
Yeah?
We need to get 5 bees. Your bee looks
So we need to get 5 bees.
I think I can go in this door. Oh no, it's someone to speak to. For there's a door. Oh, look at all these bees.
How many bees is crying right away?
Well, these bees that you can buy. Oh my god, look, you can buy a specific bee. Hey bees, hurry up and make some honey.
It's level 2.
Wait, 25.
Which one's level 2?
Can I launch myself in this or not?
It is level 2.
Well,
It is level 2.
there isn't a level 2. Oh my god, look at this kid's
Do you know
backpack.
to go that way?
Look how much honey this kid can collect.
No. Hey, you.
There's a book up here. Bees attack! Yes, bees attack. I mainly want the honey, to be honest.
Here's my other bee. Here's my other bee.
This kid's not even here. His bees and his machines just here. Hello, bee. Bees attack. The bee will never find me here. Good bees. Hey bees, we're gonna go back in a second and get you some honey.
Let's go and get.
Okay, how much honey I can collect in my backpack? Have I collected 824 honey in a backpack which only holds 750 honey? Guys, you can see this, can't you? Like, how have I done that?
My entire thing is full. Look, my entire is full.
I'm gonna buy another beer.
Can't afford it.
So guys, we might end the video somewhere in around like a few minutes. So yeah. Or we might carry on with the video because I got permission to like post videos longer. So yeah. I'm gonna go buy an egg. But we might end the video here. Yeah, we're gonna end the video. Bye guys.